I am recording these last couple stages of OBS. I did. I'm not streaming them because that's a big bitch. Can the people hear me? Microphone? Yeah, microphone is recording me. I don't know if it's recording you. Desktop audio? Get that way up.
Fuck it, people. Fuck the people, man.
Like, put that right down. Desktop audio gonna be down.
Get your money. Where's the teleporter? Ah, here it is.
And I don't know if it can. Yeah, desktop audio is coming through. Okay, yeah. Computer.
So many greens.
To my knowledge, the people can hear you. I don't know.
That's all that matters. I do it for the people, man.
Oh, what's this?
Dude, stop! Dude, please, no! I'm excited to kick the shit out of this fucking gold guy. Yep.
Yeah, fuck that gold guy. Honestly, God. 98.
I'm living for 39k every second. I almost have 300,000 health too. I'm at 270 health.
Dadgum.
Dadgum, boy.
Fucking 8. Oh my god. This is the 3rd stage, and then next will be the 4th, and that'll do it.
That will do it. Like, I feel like our biggest threat at this point is just the game, like, soft locking us in some weird way, because it's becoming so broken at this point. Like,
right.
Like a soft lock would not surprise me at all. Show money up, not show funny up. I just fucking want the tunnel right here.
Oh yeah, don't worry about that. I squirted it out. Stage 99, Elijah.
This is it, baby boy.
I like to say thank you to my mama.
I'd like to thank my mama. I'd like
I like
to
to
thank
thank
my
my
papa.
mama.
And praise the Lord, bless up. Real. I'd like to thank my daddy. I'd like to thank my mama.
Thank my daddy.
I'd like to thank my $0.
that is also infinite dollars.
This really is it, Cole. I mean, this has been a long-awaited goal here.
2 reds down there if you want
Oh yeah, hell yeah. I mean, hypothetically, we could just wait on this stage until I get 100, but I don't really want to do that. Two reds somewhere.
Oh, I picked up on them.
That's okay. Alright, let's go. It's time. It's time to ascend.
I'm so excited.
Hey, yeah. A cool 37M.
I like to thank my mama for. Elijah, I just saw 355.
355M.
I can bring that up in the footage, dog. I have proof.
That's in the footage.
It's in the footage.
That's on record. That's on record right there.
Where are you gonna be at 355? If you gonna be falling that one.
You died in 1M, boy. You gonna be in the ground.
And I mean that.
I mean that. I mean that, boy.
Alright, this is it, son.
Let's do it.
You ready?
It's time. It's time, big boy. Let's go.
Woo!
We made it. I'd like to thank my mama.
I like to thank my mama.
I'd like to thank my papa. Look around for a gold shrine.
That is fucking awesome. I don't know what it looked like in the fucking video.
We did it. Need to take a snap, take a pic, send it to all my loved ones. They're gonna say, "What the?"
They're gonna say, "What are you on about? Shut the fuck up." I don't think there's a gold shrine. It's kind of unfortunate. That kind of means we have to keep doing this.
Yeah, until we get it, but I mean, that's a small price to pay.
Where's all the enemies at? Oh, there they are. Motherfucker.
Ready to go. Alright. Back to stage 1, I guess. We did it. I just took a couple pictures. I just called my parents and told them that,
Told them I love them.
yeah. Called my whole family, put it in the family group chat. Said, man, you really are
You really are pathetic.
yeah. This is like you're spending your time right now. Get real. Get real for a second.
I'm very glad we finally got this done.
We did it. Oh man, it's so nice to see. We were just cranking on this game. Well, it's time to put our penises in the golden guy's mouth. And then should we just obliterate?
That seems so anticlimactic.
Yeah, but I mean, we could try and do the purple portal, which would be sick, but our chances of dying are a little bit high. I don't
Let's do the void fields like the traditional ones do. Those are.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. But honestly, I think.
Go ahead.
Did I press it? Yeah, I think if we do the final boss on the void, like the void one, I just don't think there's any way we're gonna die. Like I just don't see it happening. Like we have a ton of dias. We're healing insane numbers constantly. Like every second I sprint, I get 31k healing. Like, get real.
What is it on?
Real for a second.
Mine's like 33. Yeah. That's like my whole health.
This is Stu. I don't see a gold. Do you see gold anywhere?
No. It would just look like a regular shrine on the.
Yeah.
On the thingy, I think.
672M.
Damn.
I shit you not. That's almost a billion.
Yeah, that's over halfway.
That's
gotta be our next. That's gotta be our next goal. Just finding a billion.
Yeah, the 1B. You just found 1M. Where you gonna be at with 1B, boy?
Where you gonna be at, son?
Where you gonna be at with a 1B? Get real. Get real for a fucking second. I'm pretty sure that was 672M. I can't guarantee it because there's so many numbers overlap each other.
You need to start recording. That's what you need to do.
Yeah, sure. 91. 9 laser skips away.
What you doing, mama?
Tell me money, I'm not so funny up. Where you gonna be at, boy?
Oh, God. Can't believe it.
We achieved it. We achieved the impossible.
Well, I don't think it's impossible.
Yeah, I mean 1,000 is pretty achievable if you have enough time to waste.
Yeah, you need a lot of minutes.
Yeah, I need a lot of spare minutes. You see a portal anywhere? Or the gold shrine? I sure as hell don't. I don't think there was one. Let's keep going.
Man, that's gonna be fucking irritating. Now that we're actually looking for one, so it's not gonna exist.
Looking blood. Wait, how did I get 90 laser scopes? How did that even happen?
Because you applied yourself.
It's true.
Oh, hey, Elijah,
real
can we go through this thing? Can we go through this thing?
Yeah, do you know how to get there?
Yeah, you press the buttons.
Yeah, why do you want to go in there?
Because I can kick those all the Lemurian asses.
Okay.
Go look for those. You remember the two buttons, right?
Yeah, they're question marks on the radar scanner.
I do believe you're correct, son. I do believe.
I reckon you have to. I think I see one back here. Yeah, I'm on one right now.
Is that one up there? Yeah. Let me in there.
Get your money out. Not your
What's up,
money
man?
out. Yeah, see you guys. Where am I getting at? I got my guys down here now.
I got my guys on this. Got my whole goddamn goon squad on here.
My goons are on the scene. Alright, I'm gonna press it. I got time to be litigating. Litigating. Stage 100. Oh my god.
We really do have time now. We don't have anything but time.
Come on. Go portal, go portal, go
Maybe next time we should do this and like actually give ourselves a time limit. Like we should do it in however many minutes.
Yeah, no, I don't know why you're saying next time. It's just like this is stage 100 is not like just like a Sunday activity.
You're right.
This is a milestone.
This is a son of a bitch, is what it is.
Marathon. Need 5 more. I don't see one. Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Pathetic. Shine of Blood is just free money because I can't actually take the damage that they would typically give me.
Yeah, we can't get hurt. Alright, next stage I guess. See you guys.
Another way we could win, we could beat the game, is we could go to the bazaar and get the beads and then obliterate, so we could go to the scavenger realm.
Oh, yeah, I forgot how this worked.
Yeah.
That could work. What really happens in the scavenger route?
I don't know. I've been there before, but I think I was gooning too hard. I think I got soft locked, to be honest.
Yeah, well, we're pretty gooned out here. I mean, if soft locking is possible. Oh, hey, go portal. Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Awesome. Oh, the purple one
I need
appeared
here.
too.
I want to get all these reds, because I only need 4 more, and then I'll be at 100. There should be enough on the stage, hopefully.
Yeah, there's 2 over here.
Nice, and then plus the 1's guaranteed. Let's go.
And that'll do it?
That'll do it, buddy.
How about
99. Oh, because I applied myself. Go team.
Go team. 100 fucking laser scopes. 100,000. Is that right?
No, it's 10,000.
10,000. Okay. Regardless. 10,000 times damage plus
like just
everything
100
else.
red items. 100 red items just on me. This is so ridiculous, dude.
On me, equipped.
It's just so ridiculous. Like, in like a regular run, it's crazy to have like 3 red items. This guy's immune to everything. What is happening?
He has Dio's best friend.
No, okay. Let's go. Time to face our arch nemesis.
I'm gonna ram my dick down that guy's throat so
Yeah,
hard.
this guy is dead, bro. This guy
That guy is fucked.
This guy is toast. Got no chance. Gold portal. Look at all the portals. It'd be funny if we had a blue portal too. Then we'd have one of all of them.
We need celestial too.
Oh yeah, we have to do it on the 3rd stage.
Exactly. Very difficult to achieve that.
Yeah.
All right, retard. You're done. You're over.
Where's my boy at? I'll take my $0 and buy this. I'll give.
And then it just turns into some number that doesn't.
Yeah.
Like what?
Dude, look at his health.
Oh, that's not good.
Maybe buy more.
For some reason, chests spawn on here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you see any more?
No.
Gotta be more. This is exactly why I didn't want to do it. Did we get instant soft locked?
I mean, come on. We got all of them, didn't we?
I think so. But he's just immune to it. Like, look at everything that's hitting him right now. Oh, no, I got
there
one.
it goes. Okay. My frame rate. My poor frame rate. Oh, goodness.
Oh my god. I have one frame every like 4 seconds.
Yeah, me too.
Dude, the amount of effects on him. He has a 960 bleed and we barely touched him.
I think my game might be crashed. I think mine is over.
Dude, what is happening? No way, it's done.
Is yours frozen?
No, I'm getting frames I'm getting, like, my character's changing position every, like, 2 seconds. He's just changing positions.
I'm not getting frames. Like, I'm actually just dead frozen.
Let's just wait.
Wait for it to do its calculations.
Yeah, just let it, let it calculate exactly what's happening. Okay, I'm gonna count this number, though.
Yeah, it says not responding in Task Manager.
No, just say, keep trying. He has 2 billion health. It says negative 2 billion, so I guess that means he must have more than 2 billion.
Power usage very high.
Oh god. Does that mean he wins by default?
The fact that I'm having to I'm having to beat this boss by checking the performance tab on my computer.
Wait, I can like move my camera around.
Oh fuck.
I just did a dash. I'm moving.
Yeah, I just got the not responding message. I'm gonna wait for it for them to respond.
Yeah, just say wait for it to respond. Dude, what the fuck? I think that's it.
I think we win. I think we win.
We definitely won. We got to stage 100. But honestly, the moral victory, I mean, I think it might belong to him.
Well, we've beat him before. So.
Yeah, there he goes. Crashed. I got kicked out.
Oh fuck. Yeah.
What a way to... We didn't even see our damage numbers.
I can kind of see him. I see a 256. I see...
Wait, you see him? How do you see him?
My game isn't, like... It's still just stuck on this frame. Like, it's...
Wish I could see, like last game stats.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Kinda sucks you can't. Whoa, wait. I'm looking at the monsters, and it says there's still monsters I've never seen before. I bet they're in the void places.
More than likely. Well, Elijah,
Yeah,
we goon too hard for our own good.
It says scavenger, and then there's one above him. There's one above the scavenger.
Yeah, that's probably the bead scavengers in the scavenger world.
I don't know about that, buddy. Because it doesn't look like a scavenger, like the grayed out profile. Run history. Here we go. Defeat. Oh, I found it. Let's go. Artifacts. Wait.
Oh, sick.
No, that's not it. I got killed by a blind pest that run.
I'm still waiting for a response. I don't think it's really going to happen.
Oh, wait, because it crashed, it didn't even save it. I have my our engineer goon run. But I don't have my... Oh.
That sucks. That's why I started recording, because I wanted some...
That's so shitty.
I knew something like this was going to happen, so I wanted some actual...
That's so shitty ass.
I wanted some hard evidence of it.
Yeah, I mean, at least we have that, it's true. I can't believe that.
Okay.
That's so shitty ass. Well, we did it. Go us.
I'm actually gonna screenshot this last frame.
Go us. The game was like, at the end, the game was just in shambles. I ulted for it. That's crazy. Like, I was like still moving, but I was moving like barely any every like 2 seconds. I would get like 1 frame. It was so nuts. Like, I mean, it might not crash if we didn't have so many guys, but all her guys would just fucking huddled around that guy, just laying into him,
beating the hell out of him.
It was just too much, man. Just too much to handle. It just, I guess I just couldn't do all those calculations. I bet that's what it is, because he had I think every single status effect in the game, he had all of those at the same time stacked in the fucking thousands.
Yes, like actually in the thousands. Every negative status effect you can have.
The game just couldn't do the calculations. It just couldn't handle it, I don't think.
What a hell of a way to beat the game.
Yeah.
Well,
I think it's a win.
Say your final goodbyes to the recording. This is gonna be in like the NASA spaceships, like when they send stuff out like that, like on the Golden Record and all that.
My name is Elijah Hassett, and this is Skull Davis, and we're the best risk rain players in the world.
I would be daggummed. I'll be daggummed.
I'll be daggummed. That ain't the damn truth, boy.
I'd like to thank my mama.
I think my mama probably never see the 18 M numbers. Probably never see the M number again in that game, and I'm fine with that.
Yeah.
Good team.